I think you got some butterflies going on, man. Free Minecraft. BearShare. Oh, that looks sketchy. Access violation. Dude, that seems very important. 911, 938, 975, get there! 1,000! Since the last video, I've had some pretty strange things happen to me. Somebody got my phone number somehow and texted me, but they were nice. It's like they hacked me and then they were like, hey man, I got your phone number. You've been messing up. It was like a nice hacker. They like knew me, had sympathy, and were like, what a loser. Let me help this guy out. I've had pop-ups on my phone. For some reason, it's an unsafe network or something. I got an email labeled free Bitcoin. They emailed me, hey man, we heard you loud and clear. Get Bitcoins free. That's what I wanted. If I can get them for free, then I can sell them. We got you free Bitcoin, man. But it's fine. Everything's fine. I went and took a bath, and naturally we're gonna take it one step further. We're gonna go for 1,000 viruses.
1,000 viruses.
And now you might be thinking, what an ignorant weirdo. This time it's gonna be a little different though, because at the end, the comment section was like, hey, do a boss battle, antivirus versus the viruses. And so I did a little bit of research and I was like, you know, which virus software is the best? Which one is gonna do the best job of cleaning these viruses off? Did a bunch of research. I was looking all over Reddit. After kind of doing all this research, I came to the conclusion, this is what I did. I got all of them. I got all of them. All the antiviruses versus my gaming laptop. At the end, we're gonna scan them all at the same time, and boom, 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 boom. My virus, and we'll be going off on each other. Mega boss battle at the end. Let's get this bad boy turned on. There we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. If you're ever having trouble logging in and something's slow, just click it over and over and over again. That's usually what I do. So you might have noticed I've made a few changes. We've got the butterflies. They don't go away. And then my CPU, just at idle, running in performance turbo mode, kind of hovers around 50%. Apparently, connected to your local area network, you know, your Wi-Fi, the viruses can access the other computers. And so what I've done this time is I just connected it to the hotspot from my phone. That's probably safer. I mean, it's a phone, right? It's an iPhone. Can't hack iPhone, right? My mouse is much larger now, very large, which I think for viewing sake, that's kind of, you know, that's nice. And I also, end of last video, installed Bonsai Buddy, but you have to run him as administrator, which is probably safe. He's a little monkey and he swings around.
Hello, Poop Dog.
Poop Dog.
I'm glad to see you again.
I'm glad to see you again. So let's just continue on our journey of seeing how many viruses this laptop can get before it really just takes a crap. How simple I was at the beginning of this video, thinking we'd just install another round of scam your grandma software from an iPhone hotspot. We're using almost all the RAM. But I scraped parts of the internet that make a Denny's back alley dumpster look like a fun afternoon fishing trip. It gets dark, even darker. We spiked up to 100% CPU usage there, doing nothing. I think it's gonna be a little slow going this time, but I did get some suggestions from the comment section on various things we can do. Yeah, this is much slower than I expected. This is gonna take a while. BearShare free download. BearShare, oh, that looks sketchy, dude. Oh yeah, I remember that. My mom was ticked when this one gave us a virus. Oh, removed, that's right, there's this link that says start, and it probably does the same thing. I searched BearShare and I get simple browser tools instead, which is good. It's like the same thing. Oh yeah, our Baidu browser. Baidu? Oh, there's our free internet tools. Sure, yeah. Oh, oldversions.com. Oh yeah, give me that old BearShare, baby. Nice. BearShare version 10? Install adware. No! Yes. Typical accept and install BearShare. I think it's broken. Oh no, BearShare, it's broken. Oh no. Double utility install FrostWire. I remember FrostWire. It was like less scary than LimeWire, so that's why I definitely did not use FrostWire to download music. They still have an official page, so they're probably safe. Yeah, let's give that an install. Oh yeah. Adware? Dude, another adware? Dude, I have all the adware. Some of y'all were like, that's not a virus, dude. I've been using virusesarbad.exe for like 5 years, and I have no trouble with it. Might want to get that checked out, man. All right, downloading FrostWire. That's nice. Let that do it in the background. We'll open up good old Microsoft Edge. That'll do us right. Free Minecraft 2022 latest version. Excellent. I wouldn't want an old version. Click on the button to start the download. I'll click this one too, just in case. And then I think there was one more. Yep, I'll click that one. And then I'll also click, oh, that one. There we go. Excellent. Get it for free. Install Professor and reach the rank you deserve. That's exactly what I've wanted. Oh, look, but Minecraft installer is done. I have read and accept. Dude, this looks legit. We got Minecraft. Host process. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Just click yes. Profile. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. 99% CPU. Dang. Our drivers are outdated. Update all. Oh, cool. We're up to date now. That was so simple. Free animated mouse pointers. Animated cursors. Here we go. Amogus Bobby? Yes, open Amogus Bobby. Yes! Can't be downloaded securely? Keep. I really want my Amogus Bobby cursor download. Oh, yeah. Browse. Here we go. Amogus Bobby. Yeah. Yes. Now we're ready. Files converter online. Yes, please. Add extension. Cool. Congrats. Well, thanks. I did do a little bit of research. I found out that there's an actual website for malicious domains. Actual website for viruses. We're entering the dark side of the internet, as if we weren't already there. This is it. Uh-oh. Oh, lightweight protection installation for Edge? Yes, please. Not secure. Imagine a hacker just jumps onto my screen right now. There's an Among Us cursor and Bonsai Buddy. We've downloaded the malicious domain list. Oh no. I didn't read that, but I clicked OK. I didn't read that, but I clicked OK. All domains on this website should be considered dangerous. If you do not know what you're doing here, it is recommended you leave right away. This website is a resource for security professionals and enthusiasts. I'm a virus enthusiast. This is where things got a little weird. Occasionally, it was like I was hijacked and had random searches that I didn't even type in. Restaurant point of sale system? What? Best job ad post? Past this point, it's hard to count where and when the viruses were actually being picked up. How many people actually want the Gmail poop dog? Luckily, my childlike attention span. Oh, there we go. We got free Minecraft. Watch this. The faster I click, the more likely it is to download it quicker. And total disregard for safety. I don't know why bdutil.exe keeps popping up over and over, but we'll just click OK. Kept us on track to get 1,000 viruses. I'm a virus enthusiast, that's dumb. If you go to YouTube and type in free antivirus and then filter by like upload date today, then these are like the really bad crap. Fortnite hack. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'll download some free Fortnite hack. Direct link to, oh dude, these websites, the MediaFire ones.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime gal.
Fort mod cheat. Yes, I'm downloading Fortnite cheats. You can never trust me now. Free antivirus download. Why is there a bunch of Fortnite hacks? Best Roblox hack? Okay. A lot of CPU usage for browsing the internet. Roblox.rar. That doesn't look sus at all. That's not even sussy website. Uh-oh, something's going on. Run express zip. I feel like that's really bad. Kind of like I'm gonna flinch a little bit or something. It's like looking at me right now, dude. We're getting even higher on our memory usage. Steam games for free download. Oh yeah, here we go. How to download paid Steam games for free, most of them. Here we go. Good job. Oh yeah, so it's probably legit because that guy said good job. Games for you. And then like, let's just find a good game. Elden Ring just came out, I think. So we'll just click that. Yeah, ready to download. File is ready to download .iso. Yeah, that looks legit. Mouse is lagging pretty good. Perfect. Elden Ring is now installed. That's great. Oh, toolbar disappeared? That's okay. Everyone else probably had to wait like hours for their 137 terabyte Elden Ring to download or whatever, but I got it in 5 minutes because I got bigger brain. Wow, what was I doing, dude? I just went down the longest rabbit hole ever. Let's just open some more tabs. Oh, it's not opening them, so you just gotta click a few times and then it'll get your tab. Probably a little bit of right click in there, and then you just wait. There it is. And that's how you open a new tab. Okay, so I was gonna download. Oh, that's so many tabs. That's gotta max our RAM out, right? Oh my goodness. I didn't know it would open them all at once. 14.5 out of the 15.9. We are really getting there on the memory. Cool, so we're on the 700th tab and we'll type in Steam Unlocked. Heard about this in the comment section, so Pocket Cards, free download. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. I think Windows is somehow managing the memory and not letting us max it out. So let's just see which apps and programs are using our memory. Dude, my mouse is so laggy. Ah, Microsoft Edge, yes. 3 gigabytes of tabs. Okay, I'm just gonna close that. So that frees up some memory. So now we can download more viruses. Urban VPN. Yep. Trial version of Chicken Invaders 3? Heck yeah. Nice. Program downloading Chicken Invaders 3. File. It's just called File. Dude, that's sketch. No idea what it does. I'm pretty scared of that one, not gonna lie. Chicken Invaders 5. Chicken Invaders. We got it. Freaking, we did it, boys. Just take a moment. We did it. We got Chicken Invaders. Agree. I agree to whatever you want, man. Just install the Chicken Invaders. Start Game Download Manager. This is supposed to be Chicken Invaders. I'm ticked. Screen Hunter. Clean the Windows registry. Well, we probably need to do that. Let's be honest. Just for a moment, let's be honest. We need to clean. Oh no, it's File again. Sonic Suggests? That looks gold. Let's see what else we can get. Aurora Browser. A safe downloads for Windows 10 PC. Oh, Turtle Odyssey Adventures of Green Sea Turtle. Sounds great. Download. We definitely need the free. Yep. Download. We got all these on the way. Scripts. Where did I get scripts?
I don't know where that came from.
Wait, what is this program? Yeah, sure. Run it. Yeah, that looks legit. Oh, Sonic Suggests. Is it done? Yes. Sonic Suggests. Oh, heck yeah.
Sonic, how are you?
This is a fever dream. Where am I?
Did you know that during your lifetime, you eat about 60,000 pounds of food? That's the weight of about 6 elephants.
The heck? Dude, what timeline am I in? I got him. Look at his knuckles. I think that's enough of that. I think that's enough of that. Oh look, update all drivers now. Everything is running like it's made of sand. I think that's gotta be it. Just like that, it was time to install all of the antivirus software. All right, so there's one installed. Yep, install that one. Install that one. Yep. I feel like these should be counting as viruses themselves. Install, thank you. Bitdefender. Hey, got good reviews. Sys Inspector. Gamer Edition, dude. Get that Gamer Edition, dude. It was slow. Oh my goodness. They all take so long. What's going on? It was painful. Uh-oh.
Page 4 being free Minecraft.
It Amogus Bobbied my brain cells. 85 free iPhone 12 left. Fortnite V-Bucks. I can't resist. Allow. I'm lying on the form. I'm lying. High cholesterol. My name is Poop Dog and I'm 36. As they were installing, I licked up the last few viruses I could find. We'll just keep getting more viruses while they're installing. Free movies from just Monster Legends gems? Finalist to win 10 grand? Sign me up. All right, here we go. Amogus Bobby. Access violation. Dude, that seems very important. Oh no. Come on, buddy. Oh, dude, you looking different.
Hello there.
What? That's loud, dude. Ooh, the butterflies. There's so many of them. It's kind of slowing down the computer there, butterflies. 10 minutes. That was a startup program. That was, oh my gosh. Whoa. All right, I have got about 6 or 7, 8 antiviruses, and it's also accompanied with a couple of butterflies. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna start the scan of all the antiviruses at the same time, and we're gonna see how many we get. And so here we go. I'm just gonna start through this. Run scan, start scanning on that one. Whew. Yep, they can do whatever you want. Start scanning, final one. I think I'm at risk. Scanning, downloading something. Full system scan, go. With full usage here, boys. They're all scanning. It's only scanned 21 items and has already found 7 things. That's like a 30% of the files on the computer are viruses. Trojan Gen what? It's probably fine. 12 found. Now who's gonna win though? Fly Hunter is scanning. I can't do anything. Butterflies are even getting a little sluggish, man. Dude. This one's like, hey, 1 detected. I think you got some butterflies going on, man. That's all it found? I came to a non-scientific conclusion. 227 on Malwarebytes. Dude, this one only found the butterflies. The laptop cannot be saved. No malware found? Avast. Get it together. Well, don't use Avast, because they're a joke. But alas, we did accomplish our goal. Holy crap! 300 malware, 800 total. Dude, 911, 938. Get there. 1,000. Oh still going. It's still going. 800 malware and counting. Bruh. Norton says we're protected. I don't think so, Norton. We're still going up. Holy crap. 2 threats. Total of he says he got 2. Yo, 1,230 security issues. Oh, dude. I think I'm just gonna shut it. We did it out of sight, out of mind. All gone. Oh, God. Oh, dude. It feels like someone has been watching me. All of my computers are failing at normal tasks. I'm currently in the process of rebuilding my entire setup to clean out the threats. That is my next video. I'd hate to leave you on a cliffhanger again, but the laptop is currently gnawing my ankle.